Hey everybody! I'm here today to show you how to replace the battery in a Ford key fob. In this video, I'll be going over the basic steps for replacing the battery in this Ford key fob. Now, this specific key that I am using is for a Ford Escape, but there are many Ford keys that are identical or very similar to this, so the process is going to be very similar, if not the exact same, for any Ford key fob that pretty much looks like this. All right, let's get right into the video. If you take a look at the key fob, you can see that there's a little crease just like that all around. There's an extra little opening here. Now what you want to do is you want to get a flathead screwdriver, a small one like this, or anything that can fit in here pretty much. You want to place the flathead screwdriver in there and you want to twist it, okay? Now you're not just going to like break the thing apart. You don't want to just snap the whole key fob apart. You're going to try and imagine you're prying it apart slowly but surely. Okay, so as you can see right there, I popped it open. Going to place this to the side. We're going to look at the back of the key fob now. Now, if you have a key ring around it like this, that key ring is going to hold it together so you don't lose anything. So it's extra convenient, okay? Now, all that you have to do is take out this battery, which you could probably do with your finger just like I did right there, okay? Just like that. Let's see if we can get it. There we go. I'll just show you the battery so you know what kind of battery this key fob uses, just like that. I'm not sure if it's the right way. I'll show you both ways in case I'm holding it the wrong way because my camera angle is all messed up. All right, so then you want to actually remove the old battery, and you see this opening right here. Take the new battery. Make sure you have the positive side facing the outside over here. Put the new battery in place. Just like that, just as long as it's in place, like it's okay. It doesn't really snap in place or anything like that. It kind of just, you push it in and it's there basically. Then you want to take your backing and put it on, and obviously make sure that it's the right way. You can see one way is really round and the other way is just barely rounded. So make sure you place the backing on properly. I'm just going to make sure that that battery is right in there. All right, so place the backing on, and all you have to do is really just give it a push, snap it together, and that's it. It's good to go. It's literally that simple. That is the entire process for changing the key fob battery for this specific key fob, which is a Ford key fob. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.